how are you? In this video, we will talk about top 10 best Indian movies beyond imagination on YouTube, Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, Hotstar. Number 10, Forensic 2020. Samuel uses his forensic skills and discovers breakthroughs in a serial killing case as further victims are added to the list. Shikha teams up with Samuel and uncovers evidence that might lead to the killer's identity. Samuel John Katugan Tovino Thomas is a medical legal advisor forensic personnel who is assigned to the case of a serial killer targeting little girls. Samuel uses his forensic skills and makes breakthroughs in a serial killing case as further victims are added to the list. The investigation team is headed by the chief investigating officer Ritika Xavier, IPS Mamta Mohandas, who is Samuel's sister-in-law. Samuel with his team uncovers that killer is Alphonse Kurian Jiju John, a child psychologist who has a past of murdering his own father when he was a child. He has taken up killing in later life to find peace. He also targets Ritika's family out of delusional convictions. Samuel confirms the evidence that he has on the killer's identity and hears Alphonse's confession while driving. When Alphonse tries to kill Samuel, he runs the car into a roadblock and unlocks Alphonse's seat belt. The car flips and Alphonse is ejected from the seat. His head hits the road and he dies on the spot, making the incident accidental. Number 9, Hemlock Society 2012. The plot revolves around a man who runs a school called Hemlock Society, which teaches aspirants how to successfully commit suicide. He develops a bond with one of its students, Magna Coel, a depressed and dejected woman, and what follows is an unforgettable and life-changing journey for both. Number 8, The Stoneman Murders 2009. In 1980s Bombay, a serial killer starts targeting homeless street dwellers whilst a suspended police officer attempts to solve the case. After the sudden death of a suspect in custody, Sub-Inspector Sanjay Shelar from Bombay's Special Crime Unit gets suspended. Shortly thereafter, the police comes across a recently deceased corpse of a homeless person, treat it as a random killing and close the file. But when more pavement dwellers are killed only between the hours of 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. in the Sion Matunga Harbour line area on Tuesdays and Saturdays, they review their decision and conclude this to be the work of a serial killer. Sanjay approaches AIG Satam and pleads with him to handle this incident, but is told that he cannot do so as he has been fired. When he insists, Satam asks him to do this on his own, and if successful, he will approach Mantralaya and have him reinstated. A grateful Sanjay commences his investigation, not aware that soon he will himself become a suspect after police come across evidence linking him to these killings. Number 7, Taxi number 911. Raghav Shastri lives a double life posing as an insurance salesman to his wife while in reality driving a cab. When city rich kid Jay Mittal hails Raghav's taxi to get to court and contest his wealthy father's will, the duo are thrown together on a roller coaster ride in a clash of class, attitude and ego. Number 6, Picasso 2019. Gandharva is selected to be part of a national painting competition whose winner will get to travel the Picasso's birthplace in Spain, but his parent can't afford the entrance fee. Number 5, Parmanu, the story of Pokhran 2018. A dedicated government official puts his career in jeopardy by insisting that India become a nuclear power, a goal that powerful forces resist. Number 4, Dead Comrade 2019. A hot-headed student union leader falls in love with a state-level cricketer, but soon his anger issues become a roadblock on his way to unite with her. Number 3, Joji 2021. An engineering dropout and the youngest son of a rich family lives with his aspirations of becoming super wealthy. Driven by greed and blind ambition, he decides to execute his plans following an unexpected event in the family. Number 2, Karnan 2021. The story of a fearless boy who through incredible determination commits to save the citizens of his village and fight for their rights. In Inside the hut, Kanabiran and Karnan fight, ending with Karnan overpowering Kanabiran for good. Kanabiran again exalts his caste pride and predicts that Karnan's village will be soon destroyed due to his actions. Angered to the end, Karnan decapitates Kanabiran and he is arrested. Number 1. Pariram Perumal 2018. An idealistic youth is optimistic about his future as he enters college, but a tragic chain of events and his friendship with a girl from a different station will wake him up to the harsher realities of caste stratified life in India.